This is a game changer. I'm telling you right now, if you don't watch. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed the last videos that I put up. If you don't know, or if you haven't watched the video, I'll leave the card up here. Please do have a watch and let me know what you think in the comments section below on that video. And as I mentioned in my last video as well, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna collect all the questions, because I'm getting a lot of questions on TikTok. So I'm gonna collect all the questions and make a video at the end of the month. And also, if you don't want your name to be displayed, just let me know on the comment section as well that you want to remain anonymous, and that's fine. If not, I'm gonna put up your comments on the screen on the next video, and then I'll just kind of go through your questions. But again, thank you. So as we always do on this channel, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whenever you are or wherever you are, welcome. So this channel is Preemie and Mom. So the reason behind the name, if you don't know as well, I had my baby at 23 weeks. Leave the card here if you haven't seen the video. Then I decided to make a YouTube video answering questions and finding other women and other partners, guardians that have gone through the same thing. Kind of just starting a community where we can have discussions and ask each other's questions, and also give each other tips on things that worked for you. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about my issues with having baby latch onto my breast. So I was looking online to find a lot of information on how to get baby to latch on me. I'm quite fortunate to be surrounded with healthcare workers, so I've got one-to-ones and also got some tips, and I've got some things that I want to share with you that I've got on the table here with me, just to show you guys things that have helped me to get baby to latch on. So as usual, I got my notebook. As you guys know, I need to keep things noted down because my head right now is all over the place, and I've just found that writing things down keeps my mind organized and I don't go into panic mode or don't overthink about some things. But if I have things in bullet points, I know things I need to put across to you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So in the last video, I covered breast massager. Again, this is my number one to go to. So it's the Mom Cozy breast massager. You've got this in 3 different settings, and it comes with heating option as well. I always have it on heating, and option number 2, which is like a speed limit. But as I said, you can do this in your own way as well. But I normally put it on top of the breast, maybe 5 minutes before baby's due feed. I just massage it down. Not even massage it down, you just need to press it down because it's heated. If you don't want to use the heat pad, you just want to use the vibrational function, that's fine as well. And you just move it down slowly. Don't put too much pressure on your breast, it will do its thing. And if you're using a breast pump at the same time, that's excellent. If not, if you just breastfeed it straight away, just 5 minutes before you're breastfeeding baby, just stroke down. And yeah, easy to clean as well. I've got obviously cleaning wipes, but you can sterilize them. But also just to know that these are battery operated, so you don't want to immerse these in water. Although saying that, you can use it in the shower, but cleaning wise, I wouldn't immerse it in water. I would literally just wipe it off with a sterilizer, or I've got a UV sterilizer that I can use for this. But always check the instruction how to clean this properly. This is just how I prefer to clean it. So I found that if your baby is quite fussy and you're trying to get them to latch on, it could be that they just need a nappy change. It could be that they're really hungry, but changing the nappy before feed is something that I was advised on. This is something that, you know, some people actually change nappies after feeding, but I found that when I tried to do that on my baby, he vomits a lot. So what I tend to do is that just follow the healthcare professional's instruction. My other tip would be something called nipple to nose. This is a term that's used quite often by midwives. If you don't know what it is, I'll put it on the screen here. So basically, you just position your baby's nose against your nipple, and then they need to open wide to kind of latch onto your nipple and the breast tissue around it. So I was told that just baby attaching to your nipple will make your nipple sore. I didn't know that because I just thought that the baby just need to latch onto the nipple. But apparently they need to latch onto the tissue around the nipple, not the nipple itself, because that's how you end up with sore breast. I did not know that. Now I do. So ladies, if you're breastfeeding, make sure the baby is capturing the tissue around the nipple, not just the nipple itself, because that's how you're going to go through pain. Because yeah, first time I tried it, it wasn't too long ago. Yeah, I was scared, and the suction power on babies, oh my god. Yeah, I don't know what the babies are made of, but they're super strong. Yeah, so nipple to nose, that's another strategy. Great to get the baby to latch on. Say hello to my best friend. This is the nipple shield. So this bad boy right here, the nipple shield, it's been a lifesaver. So I don't know who or whom are most effective of this. I don't know if it's, you know, women with small nipples or big nipples. I don't know what it is, or inverted nipples. But this here, so personally, I've got really small nipples, and I found that, you know, baby was getting annoyed trying to latch onto me, even though he's meant to latch on around the tissue. Because he has a dummy now in the hospital, he's kind of used to having that kind of length of nipple form in his mouth. My nipples don't stretch that far, probably with suction, but you know, at standard precision, they do not stretch that far. So I was introduced to nipple shields. This is a game changer. Oh my god. So basically it's kind of like a silicone forked nipple, and you just kind of place it on your nipple, and it just attaches to your nipple area. Baby then latches onto that plastic nipple, the silicone nipple. So the vacuum that it creates, it makes this suction, and it helps the milk flow out. I don't know how the ergonomics work, if that's the wording for it, but it works, guys. This works. If you are a team small nipple, get you one of these. So this is from Mam, and as I said, they come in different sizes. I think they've got two sizes. One size, the size I've got is 17 millimeters, and then there's a regular size at 23 milliliters. I don't know if they do bigger than that, but this is what I've been using, and as I said, this has been a game changer for me. And yeah, until baby grows up and, you know, don't have to fight to find my nipple, you know, this is going to be my to-go-to. So yeah, you're welcome, get yourself one. But yeah guys, so that was my tip for helping you to get your baby to latch on. I hope this video was helpful. If you do try any of these products, please let me know in the comment section below how it went for you. And also, if you got any tips of how, you know, other tips of how to get baby to latch on, please do share with us. As I said, this is a community. We're all kind of sharing information and learning as we go along. And thank you so much again for stopping by and watching the video. And also, if you know someone going through issues with baby latching on, do feel free to share this video. It's not just for parents and guardians who have preemies, but obviously some of the tips are kind of like universal for other moms as well. Thank you guys for stopping by. Yeah.